Welcome to step 5. This is one of my favorite steps because we start to see the box really take shape. Grab another one of your panels and lie it down so that all of the sticks between the bottom panel and this new panel are all facing the same way. They're all going across. We're going to take our glue gun and we're going to glue two sides facing the same way of the blocks that we just glued onto the bottom panel. And then we're going to stick our second panel on like this. Lining this up is very important. Make sure that the edge of the panel lines up with the edge of the block that you're gluing it to, not with the edge of the other panel. So you should see a little gap, a little ridge like this one here that I'm pointing out, because we want the edge of the block, that little block, lined up with the panel on that side, and we want the edge of the block lined up with the panel on the other side. Otherwise our cube will not take shape. Now we're going to do the same with the other side. We will put glue on this block here, and we will put glue on this block here. We will grab a third panel, another one of our panels, and again making sure the sticks are all going in the same direction that you can see there. We're going to glue that on and make sure that it is lined up with our blocks so that the edge of the panel is lined up with the edge of the blocks. We don't want the panels touching each other. They need to be lined up with the blocks. If we have a little bit of overlap with our panels, that doesn't matter. Again, just helps to make it look like a real box. Now we're going to take one more of our cubes, one more of our blocks. We're going to glue two sides that are next to each other like this, that side, and then we turn it around to the next side. And then this is going to go in the corner. I'm just putting a little bit more glue on here. This is just going to go in the corner at the top of those two new panels that we put in to help it give it shape and to help it keep its shape once we put all the other panels on. So that's going to go in there. And then we're going to do the last side, the same process. We're going to glue here and we're going to glue here on the two cubes that are already on, and then we're going to take another one of our panels and glue it on nicely to that. Again, keeping all the sticks lined up with each other, just like you can see here. That helps it to really look like a box, help it to look like the supply crates that we see in Fortnite. And then we take another one of our blocks. Again, we glue two sides so that we can put that into the corner of the front panel and that other panel that we just glued in to help it keep its shape. And that's the end of that step. We are now ready to start putting the lid on, which is another exciting step. We'll see you there.